What up? Jmo here. Do you constantly dream about travel? Wonder what time it is where you'd like to be? I've got something for you. In this video, I'm building a desk clock based around a few movement inserts I came across on Amazon. First, I need to measure the movement case so I can draw out a design and figure out what cuts I need to make and in what material. I've come up with a design that uses two movements, and I have a really nice piece of canary wood that I dimensioned from a previous project that I think will make a really nice face for this. I cut the piece down to size and routed out a couple of holes. It's always a good idea to test fit and make sure everything looks good before moving on to the next step. I decided to make the body of the clock out of a nice piece of walnut. All I need to do is glue the two pieces together. Once glued, I'm going to check the fit of the movements again, just to make sure the depth is okay and glue didn't get anywhere it shouldn't. Since everything looks good, it's time to shape the clock. This sander is probably my favorite tool. When I work with wood, I just kind of let it become what it wants to be. I sand each side smooth, so the pieces can now be shaped as one. A little rounding of the top and front edges gives it a pretty neat shape. At this point, a little coconut oil gives me a preview of the final product. If it looks good, I hit it with a clear coat of some kind. Shellac works well and gives it the warm look I want, so I throw on 4 coats. With the finish dry, I've cut a piece of acrylic down to size and drilled a few pilot holes. This will act as a picture frame between the two timepieces. To hold the acrylic on, I've chosen some broad-headed screws. To achieve this look, I had to go with aluminum screws. When you work with any aluminum fastener, you have to be careful because they don't give much of a warning before they break. Like that. That's okay. Let your builds become what they want to be. I've thrown in a nice picture for inspiration and I've come up with these. These beads look like a compass rose, so I'll sand one side smooth, and with a little epoxy, I'll cover the broken screws. Now we have a nice desk clock that shows the time of where you are, the time of where you want to be, and has a place for a picture of your chosen destination. If you've watched this far, thanks for taking the time. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.